Today we are going to create a manufacturing run and pre-allocate items on a sales order against that manufacturing run. And we're going to do it from the sales order screen. So we're in sales orders. I have a sales order here, and when we scroll down we've got an order for 5 of these Pulpo small deep dishes. I'm going to select that dish, and now I am going to click on create a manufacturing run. When I do that, I can add it to an existing manufacturing run, or I can create a new manufacturing run. I can auto tag the items with a manufacturing reference, so that means at the item level we can tag up which manufacturing run they're being produced in. I can automatically create a pre-allocation, so that's going to pre-allocate the items in this manufacturing run back to this item in the sales order, and then only manufacture items with insufficient inventory. So that means if I had 5 on hand and I had an order for 10, I would only need to manufacture 5. If you turn that off, you would manufacture 10. I can turn my manufacturer. I can select, all the elements of my manufacturing run. I can tag it up, not started, etc. I can set my expected start dates, delivery dates, completion dates. And now we've created the manufacturing run. So if we come across here, we can see we've created this manufacturing run with the tag not started. We're going to create 5. Here's all the raw materials that we need. And down here on that manufacturing run is the pre-allocation. If we scroll down here and we refresh, there's the manufacturing run pre-allocation on the sales order. So you can see that the item is pre-allocated to the manufacturing run. So that is creating a manufacturing run and pre-allocating the items on that manufacturing run back to the sales order.